Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series. I am and now start the numerical problem. Some example of calculated this unit. Example number 1. The piecewise function f of x with period 2 pi is defined as minus pi to pi. Interval of 2 pi is value of x. So I am confirm f of x function odd or a even function. So both sides of minus sign multiply minus x, here minus x, here minus x and pi. Okay. So f of minus x. This one is removed and integral is removed. So pi x and minus pi. So f of x, f of x is a x, but here is a minus x, so is a minus f of x. So f of x function is a odd function. So odd series in. So odd series f of x is a odd series. So a0 is a 0 and n is a 0. So now only one coefficient of calculator for bn. So bn is equal to 1 upon pi minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Here f of x is a odd, sin is a odd. So odd or odd equal to even. So even function equation of bn is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi. F of x is a value of x integration x into sin nx into dx. Here integration by part x into sin nx u and v. So integration by part u integration v du upon dx v into dx into dx. Okay, so u here x 2 upon pi x, here x is the x, sin x is a minus cos nx upon n pi to 0 minus integration of 0 to pi du upon dx, dx upon dx is 1, integration of v to sin nx is a minus cos nx upon n dx. Now again integration of minus cos nx 2 upon pi minus x into cos nx upon n. Here integration of cos minus sin nx upon n square, upper limit and lower limit. Now here 2 upon pi, upper limit and lower limit. Now apply upper limit, pi into cos n pi upon n minus 0 into this term 0, so is 0 minus sin pi is 0 and sin 0 is 0. So bn is equal to 2 upon pi cancel n minus cos n pi. Okay, this value of coefficient of bn. So bn is 2 upon pi minus cos n pi. Now take the value of value of A0, A and N, B and E, Fourier series. So Fourier series is f of x is equal to A0 summation of 1 to infinity an into cos nx summation of 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Okay, so as it is 0, kn is 0, so this term goes is a 0, so only of f of x is equal to summation of 1 to infinity bn is 2 upon pi minus cos n pi into sin nx. First, n is 1, cos pi is a minus 1, minus 1 into minus 2 into plus 1 into 2 into 2 upon pi sin n is a 1 sin x. And second, 2, here is n is a 2, so 2 pi, cos 2 pi is a plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 upon pi sin 2x. And now 3, cos 3 pi is minus 1 into minus plus 1 into 2 plus 2 upon pi sin 3x minus 2 upon pi sin 4x for continuous distance. So f of x common is 2 upon pi, so series is sin x minus sin 2x sin 2x plus sin 3x minus sin 4x is infinitive. This is the question of